Welcome to Advanblack's YouTube channel. I'm Steve, a service technician for Advanblack, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install hand guards on a lowrider. Now, this is a product that we already make and is already on the website. These hand guards were originally designed to go on the touring models, but with the simple change of a bracket here, you can mount them on your lowrider. Now, this is going to be a very easy install, so we're just going to go over the hand guards themselves. On the inside here, you'll see two mounting holes, and that is where your bracket is going to go. These just simply mount onto the mirror stems on your perch. This is heavy-duty ABS, and you can get this color matched to your bike. This is the Midnight Crimson, which is what we have back here in the background. And then we have these three rubber inserts right here that can be easily removed if you want to allow a little bit more air in, but also protect your hands. So in the cooler riding seasons, you can pop the rubbers in. When it's a little bit warmer outside, go ahead and pop those out. They pop in and out very easily. I'll show you here. Simply pull them out like that, and now you have vent holes to put them back in. We're just going to slide one side in and go ahead and press it through. Just like that, and it's already back in. So like I said, you've got three vent holes here if you want to remove those. Now, there's a few things I want to discuss before we get any farther into this video. If your motorcycle has the perch mounted turn signals like you see on this bike back here, you will have to relocate those turn signals. Another thing to note too is you will need to check your bike to see if you have a hydraulic or a cable clutch. That's going to make a difference on what bracket that you get. Lowrider S back here has a cable clutch, and on the other side you of course have a hydraulic brake, so it's going to be two different brackets. So let's move the camera over here to the soft table and let's discuss that a little further. Now, as you can see right here, we have two bags and they're clearly marked cable clutch or hydraulic clutch. And then you have a hardware bag here that we use to mount these brackets to the actual handguards. Up here you'll see the turn signal relocation kits. You're going to replace your turn signal here. Remove these two bolts, put it around your fork, just sandwiches around your fork, tighten it back down. Now on the clutch side, we're going to take a 13mm wrench or whatever acorn nut you have on your bike. This one has a 13. It's just the mirror stem acorn nut. We're going to remove this. We're going to let that come down. Now, like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm not going to be relocating the turn signals on this bike. I am just showing you how to mount the hand guards. Now, leaving the mirror in, we're going to take our clutch side. That's the longer bracket. I'm going to put that up into place. Go ahead and put our acorn nut back on. And it's really that easy. Now all we have to do is do the same thing to the other side. So that's it. Like I said in the beginning of the video, very, very easy install. So if you're wanting to do the hand guards and you have the perch mounted turn signals, you will have to purchase the fork mounted relocation kit. If you want to get your hands on one of these, jump on over to the Advanblack website. I'll have a link down in the description. It'll take you straight over to the product. If you have any questions on this install, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try to help you the best that I can. I'm going to get out of here, get myself back to work. I hope to see you in the next video, but until then, as always, be safe, keep your knees in the breeze.